2015. Kathniel, as they are commonly called by their huge fan base, have suddenly made their way as one of the hottest love teams in Philippine cinema. Guillermo Foundation hails the Prince and Princess of Philippine movies, Daniel Padilla and Catherine Bernardo.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation are Chip de la Cruz and Christian Chonko.
Good evening, everyone! Maraming salamat po sa Guillermo for this recognition. I love you to guys. And of course, gusto ko rin pasalamatan, of course, for cinema para nagkatiwala nila sa amin ang pelikulang Tita Malu, of course, for director Greg, make use of your writer there, Carly Reynindo, and sa lahat po ng naghirap at bumawa ng music po maraming salamat. Sa lahat ng mga sumuporta, nanood, nagpa-block screening, thank you so much guys for this film.
Gusto ko magpasalamat sa lahat na bumubuo ng Guillermo Mendoza. Maraming salamat po. At itong award po ay magsisibing inspirasyon po sa amin ni Catherine upang gumawa pa ho ng magaganda hong palabas at galingan pa po namin sa aming ginagawa. At sa lahat ng cast na nandito ngayon kayo, maraming salamat sa inyo. At sa mga kapwa ko po at sila nandito at kasama ko po sa industriya. Magandang gabi at maraming salamat po.
Cheers!
Find out who will take home the G trophies for film actor and actress, plus the box office king and queen of 2015 when we come back.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Thank you.